Hello friends, welcome to Suntech BD. In this video, I'll show you how to reset or change your UEFI pin. If you forgotten your UEFI pin or change your new pin, just follow this easy step-by-step guide and you will be able to reset your new UEFI pin just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, please subscribe my channel Suntech BD, like and share. If you have any question, leave a comments below. I'll be happy to help you. Let's start the video how to reset or change your UEFI pin. Friends, welcome back after intro. So will be a start. Step number 1. First open your UEFI apps, your Android phone or iPhone. Step number 2. Down you can see 5 options: home, documents, notifications, history and profile. We'll be click on profile option. Step number 3. On the screen you can see one option, change pin. Just click on change pin on this option. Step number 4. Please enter your current UEFI pin. If you don't know or forget your UEFI 4-digit pin, please click on forget pin on the pin entry scheme. Then verify your identity using face recognition, selfie or biometric. Step number 5. Now create a new 4-digit UEFI pin and confirm re-enter your pin. Success. Your pin has been successfully changed. You can now use your new pin to log into UEFI and access government and private service. Hopefully now you know how to reset or change your UEFI pin quickly and easily. Now click on done. Friends, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel Suntech BD. Don't forget to click the bell button so you never miss my latest video on UAE service, UEFI, Emirates ID, visa and technology tips. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comments below my video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.